Hey y'all, just figured I'd bring you the finished product. There's the rolling stand. We got the paint on it. We got the top and bottom all fitted up and fixed up, and that's how she'll go to the racetrack right there. I already put the toolbox on top of it. Why I don't know, just to make sure the chain wasn't going to let loose or whatever. But it's good to go. Rolls real nice. Everything's good, and it matches our colors and stuff. So there's the finished product. We'll be bringing you another video about the water cooling and all that stuff. I put up a little challenge there on the website, the EKN website, about guys posting video with their water temperature proof of the running cold or hot or whatever it does. So we'll see how many people take the bait. See how many of them will do it, to see what kind of deal we can get them for April or May at the test day. That's it for now. We'll pay attention. We'll be bringing you some updates on the cart and all that stuff here in just a little bit. Talk to you soon.